Rolling. Good morning, loved ones. Today we'll be boarding up a window. To board up windows, you're going to need a few things, some tools. You're going to need some rags or something to pad the 2x4 that's going to go on the inside of the building so you don't damage the finished material inside the home. You'll need a drill and a 5/8 paddle bit to drill holes in the plywood in the 2x4. You'll need something to tighten your 10-inch lag bolt. So in this case, we're going to be using channel locks. You can use a socket or a crescent wrench, whatever else works. You'll need a chalk line for marking out your plywood. Also a pencil. You need a tape measure and a skill saw, and preferably a couple of sawhorses like we have here. So the first thing that we need to do is go outside and take some measurements. Okay. So you're going to measure from brick to brick, try to make it as tight as possible. So we're going to go 35.5. And 52. About 52 inches. All right, so it's 52 inches. Measure that out. Same thing on the other side. 52 inches. The other measurement was 35.5. And you come up here, it's going to be marked out to 52. Make another one at 35.5. I circled them so I can see them. All right, hold me up there, Mr. Blake. Can you give me some pressure? Let's hold it flat. No, just push the board down. There we go. All right. One more time down here. Hold me right there. All right. We have that marked out. Let's go measure for our 2x4. The 2x4 goes on the inside. And we want it to run past the outside here, so we take it from the wall here. Let's go ahead and cut it 41 inches. So mark it out for 1. Adjust your saw to the depth. In this case, it's a 2x4, so it needs to be at least 1.5 inches. Same thing whenever you cut your plywood, you're going to adjust the saw where it needs to be. 1/2 inch plywood. So adjust it about 3/4 of an inch. Slide it over so you're not hitting a sawhorse. We have a broken window, but we don't want to break out the rest of the window just to make a board up. So we're going to raise the window. The screen's already trashed, so we're going to measure up .22 inches. Hold on. 22 inches. This is 3 feet wide. So we're going to measure up 22 inches. We're going to make a mark. So I want my mark to be somewhat centered. Alright, so there's where we're drilling our hole. Of course, it has to line up with our 2x4. Okay, and we're drilling. Looks good. I'm just gonna put the 2x4 in the position where it should be. Let me take one quick measurement. So it's got to run wild over here. Call it 2.5 inches. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a small mark at 2.5 inches. That's where it has to be on the edge. So I'll flip it over. And that's it, right there on the edge. Center it with my hole underneath. Go underneath, put it in the hole. Now you can flip it over, you have a mark. You know where your hole goes. All right, so I'm going to leave the nut and the washer on this side of the window so that when I put it through, feed the bolt through, Blake can tighten it up on the other side. So, grab my board. Blake, this is yours. Mr. Blake. Okay, now we put our rags around the ends of the 2x4 so they won't scratch the paint. Mr. Blake's tightening it up. Good job, Blake.
Good to go.
All right, fantastic. That concludes our instructional video on how to board up windows.